Hi, my name is Elise Fitzgibbon. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Pontyclun. I'm currently on the BBC Production Apprentice Fast Track in Wales, and I'll be specialised in BBC Radio Wales.
Hiya, I'm Louis. I'm from Buxton, which is just outside of Manchester, and I now live in Cardiff, where I am going to be the production apprentice with BBC Drama Studios in Rothlock. I'm specifically going to be doing Grip.
My name's Josh Gill, I'm 18 years old. I live in Cardiff and I'm a BBC apprentice. I'm going to be placed originally in the orchestra department.
Helo, enw fi di Caddy drwy'n 30 oed a dwi'n dechrau Prentisiaid gyda Radio Cymru.
I'm Ellie, I'm 20, I'm from Swansea. I'm going on to the Production Fast Track Wales Apprenticeship with the BBC, and I'm going into marketing and audiences.
Hi, my name is Dylan Lyle. I'm 19 years old. I come from Cardiff. I live in Penarth currently, and the apprenticeship I'm doing is within Golley, Slater. I'm doing a media apprenticeship.
Hi, my name is Sophie, and I'm doing the BBC Fast Track Wales Apprenticeship with Skil Cymru. I'm 17 and I'm from Ystrad Mynach.
Hi, my name is Abby Cooper. I'm 19, I'm from Cymru in South Wales, and currently I'm doing my apprenticeship with ITV Cymru Wales.
Hi, so my name is Oluwafemi Babadejoko. You can call me Femi for short. I'm 28 years old and I live in Cardiff. I'm currently undergoing the Digital and Creative Media Apprenticeship at ITV Wales.
Hi, my name is Ellie Williams. I'm 18, I'm from Newport, and I'm doing the Creative Service Apprenticeship with Golley Slater.
My name is Jessica Llewellyn, I'm 23 and I'm from Meath. I'm on the Wales Production Fast Track Apprenticeship in the Sport Department.
Hiya, I'm Nathan, I'm 19 years old and I'm from Glasgow, but I'm currently living in Cardiff, and I'm on the Production Fast Track BBC scheme for Wales, and I'm in the Sport Department.
My name is Caleb Riley. I am 23 years of age. I live in Cardiff. I am in the BBC Cymru Wales, working in Radio Wales.
My name's Bella. I'm 18. I live in Merthyr Tydfil in South Wales, and I've just started an ITV apprenticeship.
Hi, my name's Oliver Shaw. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Blackwood, and I'm doing a BBC apprenticeship down in Rothlock Studio in Cardiff as a production assistant, working in the sound department on the drama show Casualty.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm 19 and I'm from Chepstow, and I'm going to be on the Wales production scheme for the BBC, working in Rothlock in costume.
Hi, I'm Isabel Jones. I'm 22 years old. I live in Pontyclun in South Wales, and I'm currently working now for the BBC on the education department for this apprenticeship.
Hi, I'm Charlie, I'm 19 and I live in Barry. I'm working with Skil Cymru and Real SFX for my new apprenticeship.
Enw fi yw Taylor, dwi o Gyfyrddin ac dwi'n 20 mlwydd oed. Rwy'n gwneud Prentisiaid Newydd gyda Bydd Cymru.